My inspiration comes from my life. I always just wanted to blend Renaissance art with like crazy 3D cyberpunk worlds and make it my own thing. Digital art is like this weird blend of creativity and tech, but you don't want the tech to ever hold you back or slow you down.
I've always made art from as early as I remember. Early on, it was just for me, and I'd fill these notebooks with my drawings. But the art that I make now actually shares a lot of the same things I was doodling as a kid. A lot of geometric patterns, aliens, weird buildings, worms. Making art gives me a way to structure my life.
Part of what drives me is trying to push whatever it is to the limit. Painting the biggest walls I can, screen printing the most detailed layers, trying new things without preconceived ideas of what something should be or is going to be.